subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Well, hi guys, this is Simran yet again welcoming you in a live chat session with Tanya Sharma. And it was highly requested by you guys that we get Tanya for the live, and here we go. It was going to happen before, but due to some reasons it got cancelled and postponed, and it's happening today. So Tanya Sharma is going to be joining us for this live, and you know the drill. आपको अपने questions हमें भेजना शुरू करना है, so that as and when Tanya joins, I can ask her all your questions. So yes. Hi. Welcome to the live. How are you?
Hi, I am good. How are you?
I'm good as well. And is this look a lockdown look?
Yeah, so I was very tempted to cut my own hair because I've done this when I was in 10th standard, and obviously you know that school में allowed नहीं रहता fringes and
हाँ,
bangs.
right.
तो मैंने अपने birthday से पहले, like my mom didn't know, मैंने कभी कोई hair cut ही नहीं कराया था, and suddenly I just went in the washroom, मैंने 3 ऐसे बाल लिए और ऐसे काट दिए, and then I had my bangs. So उसके बाद finally I don't know कितने साल बाद मैंने अपने बाल काटे. मतलब I literally, because मैं अपने बालों के साथ experiment बिल्कुल नहीं करती honestly. मैं ना ही उन्हें कलर करती हूँ, ना ही कोई हेयर कट ज्यादा कुछ करती हूँ. जो मेरा हेयर कट 10 साल से है मैं उसको ही फॉलो करती हूँ, and that's why my hair is little long but the volume is
Right.
yeah. So I had this much hair. So I didn't know कि मैं सीधा काटूंगी तो बहुत ही amateur लगेगा, और I have seen
Right.
videos जो wrong हो जाता है और यहाँ तक हो जाता है. So I was
It
very
has happened with me.
Oh, it has.
I thought यहाँ से काटेंगे so like इतना होगा, but then it went up till here, and थोड़े दिन के लिए I had to put pins and all.
Yeah, I know this. So I started with like cutting this much,
थोड़ा
this thoda,
हाँ.
and then I came till here. So it was exciting, but I don't know. Some
Guys,
people
you all
like
have
it,
to
some people
comment
don't.
that I all loving Tanya's new look.
No, I'm telling you, many of my friends and many of the people are not liking this, and it's okay. अब मैं पूरा hair cut तो नहीं कर सकती ना step के साथ.
Like it's a good change.
Yeah, I was tired of always doing this hair, so I was like,
Okay,
okay.
Gaurav Vadhwa is writing, "Hey Tanya, loving your channel, Sharma sisters. Give my regards to Kritika."
Hi Gaurav, we keep watching your videos also. कभी तो collaborate कर लो हम छोटे-छोटे YouTubers के साथ भी.
But acha, because he said this, tell me what was the idea, and like just coming together for a YouTube channel. क्या ये हमेशा से list पे था, or it just happened like trend में है, so let's just give it a shot.
No. It was never because कि trend में है.
हाँ.
मेरी बहन 2 साल से मेरे पीछे पड़ी थी कि YouTube खोलो, but I was always working. So because of that,
हाँ.
YouTube needs a kind of dedication. And
True.
honestly मैं बताऊं, मैंने रिमोरव के बहुत सारे वीडियोस देखे और उनकी बॉन्डिंग देखी. मैं like, हाँ ये लोग मतलब ट्राई कर रहे हैं, and they're getting successful also. So we can also, so they definitely inspired my sister, because गौरव और दीदी ने एक सीरियल में काम भी किया है opposite.
हाँ.
2 serial in fact. So they're friends, and he
Right.
really explained her the process, and she was very inspired. So I guess 2 साल से वो मेरे पीछे पड़ी थी, and finally जब हम दोनों को टाइम मिला, एक साथ हमारा सीरियल खत्म हुआ, तो हमने शुरू कर दिया. And I'm so happy that everybody loves our videos, and we are trying to do different things and show the real us, क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत लड़ाई करते हैं और वो आपको दिखती है.
Acha, a lot of people are writing your hairstyle looks so cute, and there was Ishita, I think she was saying one word for Kritika.
One Rothlu.
Okay. Now I'm going to quickly start taking some fan questions. But
Yeah.
of course, before that, we have to address the elephant in the room, which is because you are matlab, sort of a starter with YouTube, and because being a celebrity, you have a hang of TikTok as well. There is a
No,
whole
no, no,
debate going
I
on
saw
about TikTok versus YouTube. Tell me, what do you enjoy more, and what's your perspective about this whole thing?
ऑनेस्टली इतना हीटेड अप वाला आर्ग्यूमेंट था, मैंने कल ही कैरी मिनाटा आई डोंट नो मिनाटी, हाँ, सो आई सर्च्ड हिम ऑन नेट एंड आई सॉ हिज होल रोस्टिंग वीडियो. भाई बहुत गाली देता है वो, लेकिन मतलब ऑनेस्टली मैं दोनों चीज पे, मतलब मैं लाइकी ऐप पे भी हूँ जो टिकटॉक की कंपेटिटर है, और मैं एक और मैं यूट्यूबर भी, हाँ, यूट्यूबर भी हूँ. सो आई गेस इट्स काइंड ऑफ ट्रिकी टू चूज एनी, बिकॉज आई एम एन एंटरटेनर, आई एम अ परफॉर्मर, एंड जो लाइकी का ऑडियंस है और जो लाइकी पे लाइक 15 सेकंड्स और 1 मिनट की वीडियो, बट यूट्यूब कंसिस्ट ऑफ होल लॉट ऑफ कंटेंट, और वो होल्ड करना, जो आपको होल्ड कर सकता है वो यूट्यूब ही है फॉर मी, बिकॉज उसमें कंटेंट बना सकते हैं और ज्यादा मिनट का बना सकते हैं, और आप कोई मैसेज भी भेज सकते हैं, लाइक यू नो ऑब्वियसली टिकटॉक पे भी बहुत सारे इंफॉर्मेशन, या आप बहुत अच्छा चैटी सेशन भी कर सकते हो, बट आई थिंक यूट्यूब इज मोर ऑफ कंटेंट वाइज एंड हाँ, so for me, my opinion, Likey would be having fun and just doing
entertainment,
just looking good, doing slow-mos and everything, and YouTube would be more of content and brain wise and working hard for it. So yeah, that's my opinion. बाकी तो सबको पता ही है क्या है.
Right. Okay. Now I want to take शिवानी तानिया की फैन का क्वेश्चन है, एनी सीक्रेट ऑफ योर ब्यूटी? सो बेसिकली लाइक योर स्किन केयर सीक्रेट एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, डू यू हैव सम रूटीन?
गाइज, मुझे हर दूसरी लड़की की तरह बहुत सारे पिंपल्स आते हैं और एक्ने मार्क्स रह जाते हैं. सो वन थिंग विच आई मेक श्योर आई डू इज रिमूव माई मेकअप बिफोर स्लीपिंग. नो मैटर वॉट, आप कितने भी स्लीपी हो, आपको बिना मेकअप हटाए नहीं सोना चाहिए. सो आफ्टर आई रिमूव माई मेकअप, आई क्लेंज माई फेस एंड देन आई पुट रोज वाटर, and then I apply a night moisturizer, any moisturizer which is good for your skin. That's my night routine for sure. Morning, I'm not a person who applies a lot of skin lotion or face lotion. I'm not that kind. But for my acne marks, I'm using a serum which helps in removing your acne marks. So that is dermatologist recommended. So if you all want, I can show you all that also. So that's all I do. I do a very simple thing. And घर के face mask बहुत सारी है, मुल्तानी मिट्टी, coffee mask, tomato mask, बहुत सारी चीजें होती है. ये सारी अभी हमारे पास time है, so I think we can afford to do few things and not regret.
Okay, there is another question from Tanam.fanclub. Sleeping or shopping?
Shopping. Hi, hello is also.
Are you missing?
Here. Yeah, you don't know. I have already shopped for so many clothes. I know the lockdown is going on, and they cannot get parcel. Like I can't deliver them. I can't. But I'm still shopping. And I have already ordered a lot of clothes. So I tell my friends like, that, oh shit, मैंने order कर दिया. Like, please, वो नहीं मिलने वाला तुझे. Please रुक जा अभी तू.
Right. But aren't you like scared also थोड़ा बहुत कि अगर by chance आ गया तो वो कहाँ से आ रहा है?
मैं 2 दिन तक तो उसको लेती नहीं हूँ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल नीचे से अपने बिल्डिंग के, फिर जब लेके आती हूँ तो बाहर रख देती हूँ और उस पे डिटॉल पूरा छिड़क देती हूँ, और उसको एक दिन और नहीं छूती हूँ. अभी इतना तो ले रही हूँ
पूरा
सिक्योरिटी मेजर,
लेकिन शॉपिंग नहीं रुकेगी.
बट अभी मेरे जो कपड़े हैं जो मैंने ऑर्डर किए वो तो शायद लॉकडाउन के बाद ही आएंगे. सो आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर दैट.
राइट. Okay, there is Palak 15 asking best gift you've received till date.
Best, it's written fan gift.
Okay, fan gift. So maybe she is best fan gift you've received till date.
I think long back when I was doing Satya, I got a star named after me, and I got a proper, like a letter that, you know, there's a star after
Wow.
you. So I think that was very sweet, and I didn't believe it till
Interesting.
I didn't know it that it's a real thing. I think किसी ने सिर्फ ऐसे print करके
Right.
दे दिया. But I searched for
हाँ.
it like online, and it was a real thing that you can really name stars after anyone, and that is so sweet. So yeah, that was
Wow.
one cute gift.
Okay. Tanya Sharma official FP is asking YouTube or TikTok. अरे.
यार ऐसा मत करो यार. अरे दोनों अच्छे हैं यार, मेरे से मत ये सब मत पूछो. मैंने बोला ना कि मतलब टिकटॉक इज फॉर सेल्फ एंटरटेनिंग एंड यू नो स्लो
Right.
मोशन वाला
दोनों के
लाइक
अपने अपने like
अपने अपने. हाँ,
benefits है.
ऑनेस्ट सॉरी, कैरी मिनाटी को मैं पहले नहीं जानती थी जब तक ये यूट्यूब और इसका रोस्टिंग चालू नहीं हुआ. सो मैं किसी को भी नहीं जानती थी, और मैं इतना जानना भी नहीं चाहती हूँ पहले से. अभी कोई कंट्रोवर्सी आई है तो मैंने पढ़ लिया. That's it. But I saw his few
But
videos. They're all about roasting.
हाँ, because he is like उसका channel उसके around है, so he is the
अच्छा,
roaster
okay.
in.
अच्छा,
हाँ,
oh,
so
roaster.
that's what
Okay.
he does.
Oh, I didn't know that. So I
मतलब the
guess
genre
that's.
of his channel is basically reaction and like roasting videos, so which is
But
why
but
it's
does
of
he
that
get
sort.
money? Because when you abuse, then YouTube doesn't pay you. I
मतलब
don't know.
उतना तो we don't know whether he gets
No, I
money
know
or not,
honestly
but
because we are in YouTube. So anyone who's on
हाँ,
YouTube, they know that if
हाँ,
you use any
true.
abusive language,
Even
it's very
the
difficult
YouTube
to earn
channel we
money.
have, it's like मतलब डालने से अपलोड होने से पहले even when it's on private,
Yeah.
वो तुरंत
हाँ.
से like they send you a claim sort of कि you know this much
This
this
is
thing is
exactly.
there.
But I think he
But
doesn't. But I don't think so. He
हिंदी
doesn't do
में
it.
probably हाँ
हिंदी हाँ,
हिंदी में
शायद he gets
detect
away
नहीं
with
होता
it.
शायद
हाँ.
maybe
Yeah,
that
he's
only he
got a
knows,
lot of
but
followers. That's crazy. मतलब 13.9 million subscribers. Like
the
we kind
video
of look
that
up to.
we saw already has I think 45 million views.
I
So
saw it was
in just
27
2
yesterday.
days. In 2 days, it's 45 million. So
Crazy.
we see this thing, the hype.
You know, honestly, I feel, see, obviously he's so very famous, but for us,
Yeah,
our first viral video was Muqabla, and
right.
it has like, you know, 5 million views. So, yeah, so that was one video जो ना एकदम
Wow.
से shoot
Like it
up
blew
की
up.
थी. Yeah, it
हाँ,
blew up, and we didn't even know how it did because it was a very simple
हाँ,
setup. एक स्टूडियो
हाँ,
लिया, अंदर सिंपल सा डांस किया, सिंपल से स्टेप्स किए. इफ यू सी
हाँ,
द डांस आल्सो इट्स नॉट लाइक हुआ हुआ, कुछ नॉर्मल सा किया है
हाँ,
हमने, एंड इट टर्न्ड आउट टू बी सो गुड एंड पीपल लव्ड इट विद लाइक यू नो सो नाइस. एंड इनफैक्ट
right.
जिसने कोरियोग्राफ किया उसको तो 10 मिलियन व्यूज है उसमें. सो
Wow.
सो आई थिंक मतलब जब आपकी वीडियो वायरल होती है
Insane.
तो आपको अलग ही खुशी मिलती है, आपको पता है.
हाँ. But now you're a YouTuber और full मतलब आपके बात करने के तरीके से लग रहा है you've gone into it very deeply. तो
Yeah, now it's
tell
6-7 months, no? So I have.
हाँ. But tell me, मतलब when it comes to the content that y'all create, do you have some sort of like you know एक checklist की, जैसे आपने बोला कि हमने steps easy रखे, तो मतलब is that also a factor कि relatability होनी चाहिए so that whoever sees could probably recreate it also?
No, of course. But so, you know, we kind of have a pattern for our YouTube channel. It's like one trending song, like a dance number, one fashion video wherein, you know, so we never
Right.
wanted to make our YouTube channel only about
One
chit-chatting
thing.
or only about
हाँ.
dance. Not one thing, everything, you know.
हाँ.
So
Right.
that's what we wanted to do. So from the start, we used to keep like 6 videos of, you know, challenges and chit-chat and sisters.
Right.
Then fashion videos, then dance. So these 3 elements which we wanted to keep in a month. So there is a thing that weekly we upload 2 videos. That's our goal. So
Right.
if there are 8 videos in a month and sometimes you're not able to do so 7 videos, we try to make
हाँ.
that एक fashion video जरूर हो और एक dance number जरूर हो,
True.
so that people are thoroughly entertained.
मतलब everybody has
Every
something
genre
to,
something
हाँ.
to, and we really want to step into doing the skits Like, you know, I love mostly
Oh,
Sen ke,
हाँ.
like she,
Like
you know,
the sketch comedy, like
yeah, the
comedy
sketch
sketches.
comedy. So
हाँ.
I think we really want to do that, but it is so difficult to
You
think.
have to like,
Hats
हाँ,
off.
prepare
No,
a script
seriously,
and all.
YouTube is a very difficult platform.
True.
It is not
True.
easy to survive, and all
True.
those YouTubers who
हाँ.
have survived and are making India proud, I think hats off to them. क्योंकि बहुत दिमाग लगता है guys. कुछ भी छोटी सी भी चीज, और आपने छोटी भी चीज गलत बोल दी तो आप रोस्ट भी होते हो उसके लिए, which is, I feel like YouTube is very brutal. Like more than Instagram also. I love Insta. It's sweet and cute, and only people who you love, they follow you and others don't. So it's like, okay.
But because you're a YouTuber, tell me now that who are the sort of YouTubers that you like to watch?
I
मतलब
love
और
mostly
दूसरे.
Sane. I love mostly Sane. I mean, her sketches are so nice and you know, creative. Like, in fact, Instagram पे only I was seeing her content. वो हर रोज कुछ नया अपलोड करते हैं, and I think that's
Right.
commendable. I really love Ashish Chanchlani also. He's quite funny. मैंने उनका अभी अभी देखा था recent lockdown series. Then भुवन बाम के
Right.
भी, मतलब I think if you see, all of them have this content quality of making sketches. So तीनों sketches
Right.
करते हैं अलग अलग characters के, और अपने ही वे
True.
में. So क्योंकि आशीष चंचलानी भी मम्मी बनता है, भवन बाम भी मम्मी
हाँ.
बनता है, और मोस्टली सिंह भी मम्मी बनती है, but their way
हाँ.
of you know, saying it and
Portraying it and
portraying the
हाँ.
mother character is totally different. So I think we really
सबके
look
like
up
they
to
put
them.
their own observations कि वो कैसे लोगों को perceive
उनकी मम्मी
करते हैं.
कैसी है, हाँ.
हाँ. But because you know Tanya, you're an actor and Kritika also. Do you like want to incorporate that also with the sketch comedy thing? क्योंकि आपके लिए थोड़ा easier भी होगा because you know how to act and you know एक थोड़ा सा advantage भी है.
Of course, मतलब advantage है because we are an actor. Like obviously हम लोग
हाँ.
actors है तो वैसा advantage है, लेकिन content wise हमारे पास उतना advantage नहीं, क्योंकि creatively you have to be like
Right.
really good with
हाँ.
words to maintain the
Right.
thing, and
Script.
you know, script. And अगर आप एक
Hmm.
sketch शुरू भी करते हो, so like what we wanted, that we start with something sisters like, because हम
Right.
दोनों बहनें हैं and
हाँ.
people relate to real things, and that's what
Correct.
that's why we made YouTube channel, so that people connect to
हाँ.
us through that we are actors, but we are
Hmm.
normal sisters, like we're normal human beings, and we fight like y'all.
Great. We'll look forward to some sketch, yeah, you know, like a video like that, probably. Are you working on something of that sort
uh,
already? Or फिर you're planning?
yeah, we are planning, because we have one more video to upload. So I think after that, before that, in fact, we will try to do
Right. You'll
something like
start
a series
preparing.
kind of, yeah, about
Huh.
sisters and about Sharma sisters' life. So I think we want to see.
Right.
We'll just make 3 episodes first. We'll make just 3 episodes first and
Right.
see the reaction if it's working out or no.
Huh.
So, but
Correct.
we surely want to try, because this is the time, lockdown is the time wherein you can really try
Huh.
your hand in everything. Be it,
Right.
see, I suck at singing, but I might try.
There are people here also saying कि make Tanya sing a song.
No, yaar, please.
अच्छा, there is Shivani, Tanya की fan asking, how old were you when you started acting?
I was in 5th standard.
Wow.
Yeah, I was in 5th standard. I think
Amazing.
younger than that also. My first ad was Disney Princess. I was in 3rd, I remember. And my first paycheck was 5,000.
मतलब सब girls का dream होता है that they want to like become a Disney princess and you started off with that only.
Yeah, trust me, I was not interested in acting at all. Like all my college life, all my school life, I was like, I want to be with my friends. I want to do the normal fun. And I'm like this ball of energy who can't sit at one place and who's always jumping around, who wants to do
Right.
everything. Like want to play basketball also, wants to run also, wants to be the best sports person, do well in studies, do good dancing, teach dancing. So
like an average student, like student life.
like every like want to do everything.
Okay, there is Tanya Sharma official FP asking, and what is your favorite YouTube challenge? So there are like a bunch of challenges जो आपको पता होगा जो YouTube पे होते हैं. उसमें से do you have some favorite?
No, I don't have any favorite challenges. I mean, agar if it's that favorite, then we'll do it also.
If I had to reframe it a little and tell you like what kind of videos sort of do you like to watch? मतलब कोई ऐसा challenge video है या कुछ ऐसा which you like to like you have fun watching?
You know, I have fun watching मतलब in every second video except वो boring मतलब वो lag नहीं करनी चाहिए. कोई भी चीज अगर छोटी और crisp होती है ना, I really like it. Like, you know, if it's under 10 minutes, you want to go and watch it. And because a challenge video or a YouTube video, it shouldn't be like a movie. Because a movie has, so then there are directors and proper people who make such movies. But like these challenges videos or these fun videos, vlogs, you like people, like you like watching other people doing things like how you do. Like so many people request us to do more vlogs because they want to see how we do things. Like, you know, they relate to it कि अच्छा ये लोग भी बर्तन धो रहे हैं, अच्छा ये लोग भी झाड़ू लगा रहे हैं, अच्छा इनके भी डार्क सर्कल्स हैं. So that is something which I want to you know come across, like as in being a YouTuber. Like I want to relate to people because as an actor, like a professional actor, they relate to my character. Like there's so many people who think I'm so arrogant, just like my actor, just like my you know character roles. So especially my idea of jumping into YouTube world was this, to know that guys मैं इतनी ही overacting करती हूँ real life में. हाँ, मैं हूँ यही. I mean, I am like this, over expressive. मतलब जिनको पसंद है वो पसंद है, नहीं पसंद है अभी बचपन से ऐसी तो चेंज तो नहीं हो सकती.
Right, there is Valhar_Isolis जिनके काफी सारे questions है. So you have to choose one. First is Western or Indian, like outfit.
I look good in Western.
Okay. Short hair, long hair?
Long hair.
Okay. Black hair or blonde hair?
Black, no blonde.
Heels or flats? Or barefoot?
Barefoot.
Okay. Invisibility or teleporting?
Invisibility.
Right. Those were all Valhar's questions. There are people, there is Saikat writing nice dance steps that you do.
Thank you. I think that credit goes to our choreographer. I mean, they really put in efforts. But our last video, Genda Fool, that one also did really good. Like it got 4.2 million views, and we did it inside our society through video call. And I guess that's something really good. Yeah, and it was surprising. Means people searched for it, and we were like really happy to see the response. So I guess all the responses only makes us do things and make us work harder. I think सब field में यही होता है. If you get little appreciation, then you wanna do more.
Correct.
Sorry, Vizan, Muskan, I am so sorry. No, my sister was not an ishqbaz. Even I was not an ishqbaz. Okay, thank you. बेचारी कब से caption से पूछ रही है.
Okay, there is Tanya Sharma official FP asking, Queen, your favorite food?
My favorite food is all the junk in the world. My mother keeps cribbing कि मैं घर पे भी बाहर का खाना बना लेती हूँ और वो ही खाती हूँ. But मुझे वैसे घर का एक अच्छा आइटम अच्छा लगता है, वो है राजमा चावल. I love राजमा चावल and I love vada pav.
It's a hot favorite.
Yeah.
Acha, this is very funny. There is Somu.Kumar writing, what will your reaction be when you get roasted by Kerry Minati?
I don't know. I just hope he does not abuse me. That's it. I think, okay, fine. I will feel bad. I don't take criticism very well.
But you know, there was actually a lot of talk about, matlab, see, roast kara to kara, but then nobody has the right to abuse anybody. Uske piche bhi there was a whole thing. People started commenting कि he should not abuse whatever his point of view is. Do you like also agree to that?
I think he made a very entertaining video. Like
हाँ.
he made, मतलब उन्होंने आमिर
हाँ.
का वो लेने,
मतलब
I'm so sorry, दूसरों
the
की जो
sink
उड़ती है तो
was
सबको हंसी आती है. I know it's very mean, but that is the truth.
correct.
Honestly, किसी को भी आप कोई भी वीडियो देखो जिसकी किसी एक वीडियो में लग रही है ना किसी की, तो दूसरे लोग और व्यूज आते हैं, ओ यार इसकी कैसी लग रही है, हमें भी देखना है कि कैसी लगती है. So I think roasting videos works like that only. But I have seen roasting videos without getting abused and still
हाँ.
really hurtful. So
हाँ.
I guess it's his perspective. उसको पैसे नहीं कमाने थे उसकी सबसे viewed वीडियो के लिए, so you can't like.
Correct. Okay. There is another question. Tanam.fanclub is writing, how was it shooting with Amar again for Sharma sisters?
I was kind of scared क्योंकि मैं बहुत टाइम के बाद उनको मिल रही थी और शूट के लिए, but he is such a fun guy and वो बहुत मजे से उन्होंने शूट किया. और हमने उनको बोला नहीं था कि 2 वीडियो शूट करना है, लेकिन जाके बोला 2 वीडियो करना है, तो he's like Tanya. But then he did it and he was very sweet and you all saw how was it.
Right. Okay, there is Tanam's another question, which is, how did you overcome your reservations in doing romantic scenes in Satya?
Oh my God, don't ask me. It was so difficult. I still remember my first scene, like those romantic kind, was Lahu Muh Lag Gaya. मुझे अपनी पूरी फैमिली के सामने अमर जी के साथ डांस किया है. और मेरी मम्मी, मतलब मेरी रियल मम्मी स्क्रीन के पीछे थी. और मुझे उस चीज का awkwardness तो था ही, that मेरी मम्मी मुझे देख रही है किसी इतने बड़े मतलब मेरे से ट्रिपल रोमांसिंग करने. So I was very scared. So, but it is my work.
Right.
I went to my room in my mirror, like, you know, went to my makeup room and I saw myself. I'm like, Tanya, this is work you've got to do. You have to do and you will do. Literally. Pep talk. I always do it. Whenever there's a difficult scene for me, like for me, I want to be prepared for my scenes always. So whenever I see my scenes and it's an emotional one, I recite my script. And I really get tears also because I want to see the flow of my, dialogues. And I always practice it and then go unless it's very big. Like, you know, if it's pages and pages, then you can't do it. But I make sure that if it's a very important scene, I always practice it, especially with Amarji. उनके साथ तो practice के बिना नहीं चलता बाबा.
Okay, there is Dheera forever asking how it feels to be Masi of 2 kids, Smriti, Khanna and Rucha.
I am so happy.
Sabni's child.
I am so happy. Smo is one of my oldest friends in the industry, like, and she is such a sweetheart. I can't imagine seeing her as a mother, but I see her baby and I really want to go and, you know, cuddle her because I think she made me Masi for the first time. And even Rucha Di's baby, दोनों ने मुझे मासी बनाया है, but I am so excited to see both the babies. I hope lockdown के बाद I'll meet them.
Correct. Acha, there is another question from Dheera.Tanam Rocks. So why do you think Dheera is so popular compared to the other pairs?
Because I think we are very unusual. And मुझे हमेशा से लगा कि हमारा पैर इसलिए चला because it was not the usual type. See, बहुत सारे usual couples हैं, you know, they're so famous. Everyone is very famous. But मैं और अमर जी इसलिए हम चले because there was a kind of maturity in the couple, like, you know, in the past, that he was so mature and I was kiddish. Still, you know, intense. Like, I was not like, we never had this puppy love, and that's what always interest, like, you know,
हाँ.
it really made me feel that okay, I'm not doing usual scene with him. It was always an intense and really you know, जो love वाला feeling आता है, मतलब it was crazy. मतलब we used to do scenes really nicely, and हमारे directors also, obviously they have helped us so much, like all the directors. But I think it was
Correct.
amazing doing scenes with them because he used to make you so comfortable. So I think that's really nice. I never felt स्पेशली ओनली द लहू मुंह लग गया, उसके बाद मतलब उसके बाद मतलब मैं कभी
It
भी
became
awkward नहीं
comfortable.
हूँ. हाँ,
हाँ.
he made me so because he got it while doing लहू मुंह लग गया कि मेरी फट रही है.
Correct.
So after that he took an extra effort to make me comfortable.
Correct.
तान्या, तुझसे होगा, just concentrate, just focus. So he was very good that way.
Okay, there is Virani Muskan who's asking, if you get the chance to take part in Khatron Ke Khiladi, will you do it or will you try Big Boss?
No, I'll definitely do खतरों के खिलाड़ी. I love adventure. मुझे बिग बॉस से डर लगता है. मैं खतरों के खिलाड़ी जाऊंगी.
Okay, there are a lot of people asking, do you have some hair care tips? Saloni, Muskan,
See my hair, they're so patla. What are you asking me?
Probably because of the length and quality, maybe. They're asking, do you do something special?
No, I don't do anything special, but I use shampoo without paraben. So that is important. And I don't use conditioner every day. I use it alternate days. And in a week, I use hair mask. Hair mask आप कैसे भी use कर सकते हो. आप egg use कर सकते हो. Egg और castor oil mix, you know, mix करके वो आपके सर पे लगा सकते हो once a week. Although I have a proper hair mask जो मैंने साउथ कोरिया से लिया था, argan oil का. So that makes your hair looks like you just come out of spa. So I think वो तो बहुत ही अच्छा है और वो बहुत सॉफ्ट कर देता है बालों को. But वैसे you can definitely use egg.
There is Sravya asking, ask her bond with Haley and Kanchi.
I think every live पे कोई ना कोई मुझसे ये पूछता ही है. And I'm kind of like tired, but I will tell. Okay, we all three have an amazing chemistry. I think friendship में एक दूसरे पे rely करना is very important, and that's what we do. हम तीनों just because we are in this industry doesn't mean we are jealous of each other's work. In fact, we always motivate each other if anybody's feeling down or you know. अगर बुरा लग रहा है किसी और की बात पे, तो हम लोग मिलते हैं, बहुत सारी चिल बातें करते हैं और बहुत सारी मस्ती करते हैं. So I guess that's the bond we created in this kind of time.
There is Tanvi Walia asking you, what's the meaning of your tattoo?
This? Okay.
I think so.
This is a ballerina girl, and I love dancing, and I always wanted to learn ballerina. Like I wanted to become a ballerina, in fact. So मुझे ballet सीखना था. So that's why I couldn't, but maybe sometime soon I will learn. So I think this is what it signifies.
Hafsa is asking you, what are your hobbies? And it's very apt to ask that because अभी तो बहुत time है और सारे hobbies must be getting like put to use.
हाँ, ये तो है, लेकिन ऑनेस्टली मैं कोई भी हॉबी अब जो है मेरी ऑलरेडी वो यूज नहीं कर रही हूँ. बट मैंने नई चीज एक एक्सप्लोर की है, वो है कुकिंग.
वाओ.
मैं बिल्कुल कुकिंग नहीं करती थी और अब मैं कुकिंग करती हूँ. क्योंकि मैंने बोला ना, मैं बाहर का खाना घर पे बनाने की कोशिश करती, जैसे कुंग पाव पोटैटोज, नूडल्स, देन चिली चीज टोस्ट, फिर गार्लिक ब्रेड, फिर पास्ता, हर टाइप का पास्ता, बहुत सारी चीजें बनाती. बर्गर्स, मैकडॉनल्ड बर्गर स्टाइल, सब. यूट्यूब इज माय फ्रेंड इन दिस लॉकडाउन.
But tell me, is the food turning out equally good, या फिर it's been a little experimental?
Honestly, the first time I made all these delicacies, it turned out to be really good. But when I'm repeating them, it's not working out. Like, you know, like when you get that confidence, oh my God, I am the chef. And then when you make the same ingredient, like imagine the first time I baked a cake, it turned out to be like so amazing. Everybody loves it and everything. Now, since
Right.
2 times I'm trying to bake a cake, either the batter
Gadbad.
doesn't cook, either this whole cake gets burned. So
Oh
I am
God.
kind of confused. What is it?
Okay, there is Valor writing, ma'am. You should play the role of Nairobi from Money Heist.
Yeah, but I like playing. I like if I want, like if I get offered, then I would love to play Tokyo. Yeah, she's so crazy. I really like. But Nairobi is very caring and very intellectual. So, but yeah, that's
Right.
also good. I don't mind. But Money Heist is
Chinu
one thing
is.
which. Hmm?
Go on, go on.
No, but Money Heist is something which actually occupied my mind for a long time.
Chinu is writing, which movies do you want to see in the free time?
All of them. So much of free time. Means I am, but honestly, I love the vampire series. Like not only like a particular, but I
Right.
was watching Van Helsing, and then I've seen a lot of vampire movies, and you can say series also. Like I really like them. It's very interesting because see, normal हम लोग shows देखते हैं, which is very relatable. Yeah, that's also fun.
Correct.
But I love to watch these fantasies like Shadow Hunters and all these kind of like which is not believable and they make you
Right.
believe it. So I think that's very interesting. It takes you to a different thing only.
Correct. There is Saloni writing, which food do you like, spicy or sweet?
Spicy. I love spicy food. I don't like sweet.
Probably this comes from कि उन लोगों ने सुना होगा that you try to bake cakes, so इसलिए do you like sweet or spicy? Are you missing all the roadside food and all? Are you one of like the street food eaters?
I am the street food eater. मेरा पानी पूरी वाला रो रहा होगा कि मेरी उसकी परमानेंट कस्टमर नहीं आई इतने महीनों तक.
Okay, there is Tanusi writing, what were your feelings when you first time faced the camera?
मेरी फट गई थी यार. मेरे से नहीं होता. मैं ऑनेस्टली बताऊं मैं ये बहुत ही क्लीशे आंसर होगा लेकिन आई वाज ब्लैंक. इट वाज माय मदर who took me aside and is like, get your shit together. This is only 2 lines you have to say. So I think बचपन से मॉम ने बहुत साथ दिया है और वो हमेशा सेट पे अभी तक उड़ान तक वो मेरे सेट पे आती थी. Not because she wants to protect or something, but she just wants to see her daughter on TV. Like, that, like she wants to see कि अच्छा how I do scenes. Like, and if अभी तक अगर मेरे को कोई चीज बोलनी नहीं आ रही है, इमोट करनी नहीं आ रही, she literally shows me कि Tanya, you should do this. So that's very sweet. उन्होंने हमेशा बचपन से लेके आज तक हमें कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हुई है एक्टिंग में, also she's not a professional actor, but she knows her kids.
Right.
So she knows कि कैसे निकलवा सकते हैं.
Correct. Okay. And the last question that we'll take is from Tanusi again, and she is writing, why did you choose acting as your career?
I figured that I can be good at it. Like it was not my ultimate career. I wanted to become a businesswoman. I wanted to open my own restaurant and run it. Till now also I have that same thing, but maybe acting came along and I figured कि I can improve in this art and maybe I have something in me so that I can polish it and I can do better. And when I kept getting shows, it was very evident that maybe God wants me to do this. And touch wood, there was a time for 9 years I've never sat at my house. This is first time 1 year which after Udaan I'm waiting for a very good opportunity. But before that 9 years I was always working because I'm a child artist. So I always got work some of the other time. So I never that time I just wanted to work. Like if I started with a particular character, next show I want to do like maybe just step up. Like if I'm doing a sister's character, so I just want a third lead or like a second lead. So that small improvement, I wanted that as a growth. So
Nice.
yeah, it happened, and this is how I am now.
Correct. Acha, because you've sort of ventured into YouTube, which is a digital space. Do you also would you be open to also doing some web shows, because it's also something which actors are venturing into?
Yeah, of course. मैंने एक Netflix या Amazon, not sure right now, but my web series is going to come out very soon. Maybe before September.
Right.
Once the lockdown gets
Right.
over, we just want to finish one
Bits.
episode,
Haan.
bits,
Correct.
and then it will be ready to get released. So yeah, that will be my debut
Wow.
show web series. Yeah.
So guys, you can look forward to Tanya's digital debut. Digital to nahi, web debut, because digitally she's already debuted. She has a YouTube channel.
And if you
I'm
haven't
pretty
subscribed, please subscribe. Yeah,
Ekdam
that's
YouTuber.
YouTube. Subscribe to Sharma Sisters. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Amazing. It was lovely to have you, Tanya, and talk to you. Lastly, what message would you like to give everyone? And it was Mother's Day yesterday, so tell us, how did you celebrate it?
Have you seen the Dolly ka video, Mother's Day?
The I Diva Dolly?
हाँ, I Diva Dolly.
नहीं.
Literally वो हमारे साथ हुआ है कि हर दिन मम्मी का दिन होता है, एक दिन नहीं होता है
Right.
मम्मी का दिन. तो हमें भी डांट
Right.
पड़ गई कि एक दिन मेरे पास मत आया करो प्यार जताने के लिए, हर रोज आया करो. So
You
I think
exactly sound like her.
मैं वही बोल रही हूँ. So that is one thing which I got, but
Right.
मैंने वही कल केक बनाने की कोशिश की थी जो जल गया था और मम्मी हंस रही थी मेरे पे. So yeah, that's
But
how my mother
we shall
turned
keep
out.
trying till at least 17th
I told
of
her,
May.
I told her I will keep trying till it stops
Right.
getting burned.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for talking to us. Lastly, any message would you like to give to all your fans जो probably थोड़ा bugged है कि we have to sit at home and this is the time that they've logged in and they're getting entertained with this chat?
I know बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही है घर पे बैठने के लिए. अपनी मर्जी से जब भी बैठने को होता है तब बैठ जाते हो, लेकिन जब कोई बोलता है तो नहीं बैठने को होता है. I just want to tell you that explore your hobbies and try to do whatever to keep your mind busy. क्योंकि guys, अगर आप सिर्फ अपना माइंड खाली रखोगे तो आप नेगेटिव ही सोचोगे और हमेशा सोच रहे हो अरे कितने दिन. बट आई थिंक जितने दिन आप घर पे रहोगे आप उतने दिन सेफ रहोगे. सो इफ यू वांट टू बी सेफ, just stay at your house and let other people also live in their houses. So yeah, stay safe.
Great.
And enjoy yourself by watching Sharma Sisters. That's called advertising.
Plug in. Great. Thank you so much, Tanya, for joining in. Take care of yourself and take care of the
Yes.
family till we see you whenever we see you.
On screen, hopefully.
Yes. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Simran.
Bye.
It was great
See
talking to
you.
you. Bye. Bye.
Thank you. Take care. So, guys, that was Tanya Sharma for y'all, and this is Simran signing off. The live is going to get saved in case you've missed out on any of the parts. You can tune in again on India Forums. Follow us. Follow India Forums Digital. Check out our YouTube channel. Check out the website for regular updates. And yes, thanks for supporting us. We shall keep entertaining you. This is Simran saying goodbye and signing off from here. There is Virani Muskan writing. Thank you so much, Simran. Always. Just love you. Thank you so much, Muskan. Thanks to everybody who tuned in. It was amazing. And yes, thank you. Bye-bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.